JavaScript closure inside loops. Variable changing unexpectedly. This function outputs this. 333. Whereas I'd like it to output 012. The same problem occurs when the delay in running the function is caused by using event listeners. What's the solution to this basic problem? Well, the problem is that the variable I within each of your anonymous functions is bound to the same variable outside of the function. What you want to do is bind the variable within each function to a separate, unchanging value outside of the function. By wrapping the function creation in a new function, you ensure that the value of I remains as you intended. 2015 solution. For each. With the relatively widespread availability of the array prototype for each function, in 2015, it's worth noting that in those situations involving iteration primarily over an array of values, for each provides a clean, natural way to get a distinct closure for every iteration. That is, assuming you've got some sort of array containing values, DOM references, objects, whatever, and the problem arises of setting up callbacks specific to each element. You can do this. var sum array equals whatever, comma sum array for each function, array element, comma sum asynchronous function, array element, function, array element do something. The idea is that each invocation of the callback function used with the for each loop will be its own closure. The parameter passed into that handler is the array element specific to that particular step of the iteration. If it's used in an asynchronous callback, it won't collide with any of the other callbacks established at other steps of the iteration. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.